Here's another question where we are asked to solve specifically using the quadratic formula, which is that the solutions to this equation are equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over a couple a's. So it looks like the thing is in the standard form. So the thing in front of the x squared, which there isn't anything, so we assume it to be a coefficient of 1. So that's a. B will be a positive 8, and c will be a negative 5. So minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So b is an 8. B is another 8. A is a 1. And c is a negative 5. And then 2 times a is a 1. Okay, notice I put brackets everywhere there. Now if you were to just simplify this part in your calculator with the brackets, it'll come out right every time. If you don't put brackets in, sometimes if you have a negative number in there, it'll come out wrong. So I always find putting brackets in saves me. So negative 8, so minus 8 plus or minus 8 squared, 64, minus, okay, so minus 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 5 is a positive 20. So this would be plus 20 all over 2. Okay, be careful with this. Again, you can use your calculator to help you. If you just put in your calculator 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 5, it'll come out perfect for you. And in this case, it comes out to 84. So negative 8 plus or minus 84 all over 2. Okay, now 84 looks a little suspect. I know 4 goes into that, but I wonder if one of those other pretty numbers goes into it. 25, 36, 48, no, 48, 49. 8 squared, 64, 9 squared, that's about enough. 36, no, it won't go. 49 won't. Those are too big. 25, 16. I wonder if 16 will go in. 16 times 4 is 64. 16 times 5 is 80. No, that's not it. 9 won't go. Good, it's got to be 4. So x is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 4. Oops. Times the square root of, okay, how many times does that go? 84 divided by 4, oh, 21. 21 all over 2. Good so far. So now it'll be x is equal to minus 8 plus or minus 2 root 21 all over 2. Again, just like other questions we've done, this 2 is a common denominator. And so you can do things two ways. I'll do it both ways, and pick whichever way sort of feels good for you. So you can simplify that more by saying that 2 is a common denominator. So it's the denominator of the negative 8, and it's also the denominator of the 2 root 21. And then you can simplify from there. So negative 8 divided 2 is a negative 4, plus or minus. The 2's cancel, root 21. Or you can factor something out of the top there. So it looks like I can factor a 2 out. So I'll put a 2 out, and I'll be left with negative 4 plus or minus root 21 all over 2. Then the 2's cancel, and I'm just left with negative 4 plus or minus root 21, which is the same as the other answer. Okay, hopefully that helps you. Solving equations using the quadratic formula when there's a little bit of simplification.